Hi YouTube, this is Who What Why 404, and to my subscribers, welcome back, and to any new viewers, welcome. I would love to have you back, and if you would, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you back. And so today I am giving you an updated video on the Coach Tabby. This is the regular size, and to get you caught up, if any of you didn't see my previous video I did about 2 weeks ago on the Coach Tabby, this was an impulse buy. I was walking through Nordstrom on my way to return something to the Disney store, and I decided to check out some of the bags they had on the the anniversary sale for Nordstrom. And I was going through the bags, and they had all the yellow tape roped off for the anniversary sale bags, and I saw this in the section right next to it. So with all the lights, it made it look really beautiful. I had never seen this bag before, and with all the Coach hype, I decided to check it out. So I looked through it, I felt on it, and I saw, that it was a pretty good leather bag. And then I looked at the price. The price tag had $4.50, but it was scratched off and had $3.95 written under it. So I asked the sales associate, I said, is this the correct price? And she said no, she's not sure why it was crossed out, but they'll honor it at that price. So that's how I wound up getting this bag less than retail. And so I asked you guys on the video, should I keep it, and what were your thoughts on it? And everybody that commented said I should keep the bag. So I was at 95% sure that I was going to keep this bag until I saw Just Jennifer's video. And on Just Jennifer's video on YouTube, she did a review on the 26th. This video was maybe from about 5, 6, 7 days ago. I'm not sure exactly, but she did a review on the Tabby 26, and she showed alternate ways of wearing this bag. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to get to the Coach store and check it out. So this is what I decided to come up with. So I went to my local Coach store. As a matter of fact, there are only 2 flagship stores here in the Atlanta area. I actually live in the city. There is one in Lenox Square Mall, which is in the city, and the other one is in Beaufort. I know Atlanta used to have more Coach stores, I believe, but I guess they all closed once, Coach was going through its transition. So there's only one Coach store. And like I said previously, I thought that my next reintroduction to Coach would be the Rogue and not this bag, because I saw a lot of good reviews on the Rogue. So I was intending on going to the Coach store to try out the Rogue and see if I liked that. And that would be my first bag from Coach in a long time. Then the Cassie, I know everybody likes the Cassie, but I think they need to do another colorway for me to probably consider that bag. So that's why this one was so intriguing. But anyway, back to Just Jennifer's video. She showed some different ways that the Coach bag can be worn. So, I'm sorry, the Tabby 26 can be worn. So I decided to go in, check it out. I took photos of the bags, and this is what I decided to come up with. This is my Coach purchase after looking at that video. And yeah, I decided to get the Tabby 26 in the oxblood color, and this bag is so beautiful. And I see a little mark. I'm not sure where this is. I see it on my camera. I know you guys can see it too. Let's see if they can rub that out. But anyway, this is the Tabby 26 in the oxblood color, and this is a beautiful bag. So I did get my initials hot stamped on here on the back, but I probably will take this hang tag off because I don't think it looks right. I think with this size bag, it'll look better maybe on the bigger size bag. But this is the Tabby 26 in the oxblood color. And I tried this bag on, and I tried the regular size bag on in the store. And when I looked in the mirror, this regular size bag looked a little bit off, and I'll insert some pictures now to show you what I'm talking about. So if you look at the picture with me trying on the regular size Tabby, you can see that there is like this much of a gap between the top of the bag and the C, the emblem, and it looked a little odd, like the C was off center, or it was off a little bit in the picture. and it didn't really exactly look right on me. Now I know on the Chanel, the CCs are placed the same, about the same point on the maxi or the jumbo, I'm not sure. But on the Chanel, at least you have that quilting up here that kind of makes up for this big, just, you know, flap of leather. But it looked a little odd on me. Now, I'm not sure if it's just me overthinking it or anything, but you can kind of zoom back, scroll back at the picture that I uploaded and see how it looks with this big gap and then with the C at the bottom. But on the 26, you can see that it's more centered. I don't know if it's because it's a smaller bag, but it was more centered and it looked great. So yeah, this is the Tabby 26 in the Oxblood, and I'm going to use this as a year-round bag. This is going to be a year-round bag for me, and I consider it actually kind of a neutral because it goes with a lot of colors. And to give you a reference, a lot of times I'll use paint strips to kind of figure out what colors coordinate. And you can see that the Tabby is like this color. It's almost this color, depending on the light. But the Tabby is like this color. And you can see all these colors on this strip coordinate with this. You can see how it varies. You have like a light blue, you have a beige, you have a dark gray, you kind of have like maybe like a seafoam green, like a dark, like a slate color. Then you have another off-white. This is the kind of like the oxbloodish color. You got white, beige. I mean, and you can see light blue, you know, shell blue. I don't know what this is. And this is maybe like a salmonish color, like a nude salmon. So you can see all these colors coordinate with this. And these are a mixture of what people would consider fall and spring colors. So yeah, you can tell that this bag goes with all these colors. And these are all actually year-round colors. So that is why I decided to get the Oxblood color. I think black is like basic. So if you want to go with black and do a basic color, I think go with black. But if you want something to kind of give your wardrobe a pop, I think this Oxblood is the bag for you. Now, referencing back to Just Jennifer, she added an item to her Coach bag, and it gave this a whole different look. And let me show you what I actually picked up also. So what else? The other item that I got from Coach was the chain strap. And oh my God, this changed the total look of the bag. Now, this chain strap was $30. I'm sorry, it's $35. I know if you can see. It's coming into focus. But the chain strap is $35, and this is the gold tone. And it comes in the gold tone, a silver tone, and kind of like a matte, not a matte black, but like a darker metal that they use on the Coach bags. It's like a darker metal strap. Now let me show you. This is how it looks with the regular short shoulder strap. And I'm going to take this off. And I will show you what it looks like with this chain strap. So you hook one side, just for reference, you hook one side. Then you take the other side and loop it through. See that? And then connect it again on this side. And you have a totally different look with the chain strap. And I'll insert some mod shots at the end of the video. This is with the chain strap worn as a shoulder bag, a short shoulder bag. Then you can adjust it to make it a long shoulder bag. Back up so you can see. So this is as a long shoulder bag. And you can also take them off take it off where you take the one off that you loop around. And connect it at that end. You have a crossbody bag. You'll have a chain crossbody bag. And that is what made me get this bag, because I thought this was so cute with the chain. I have, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 ways of wearing it with the chain. And then I can give it a whole new look with the strap that it came with, the leather strap. And it also comes with a thick leather crossbody strap. This crossbody strap has 7 holes for you to adjust. It's a thick strap with the pebbled leather. And so yeah, you can attach this and it looks so cute. The C's look centered and it's an awesome bag. So yeah, this is what I decided to go with, is the Tabby 26 in the oxblood color. And this bag is probably going to go back. But I do want to show you what this bag, the regular Tabby, looks like with this gold strap. And it actually looks really nice, which kind of has me thinking again too, like, should I keep both of them? And on a side note, on the Tabby 26, check out DDG LA Divas video. She unboxed this bag in the chalk, and that bag is gorgeous. That chalk color is gorgeous in the 26. I know it's hard to come by. I think they said it sold out everywhere, and I'm not sure if they're going to remake that bag, but the chalk color is really nice. And they've actually come out with some different versions of the Tabby 26 and this Tabby too, with some exotic skins, but I just want it basic. I think those are online bags for now. But let me show you what this looks like with the chain. And again, I'll do some mod shots at the end. Let's see. Let's take this off. This is the short. Take the short chain. And put this on here. So you can also do the chain on the larger Tabby. So this is what it looks like if you do it on the crossbody side. Like I said, I'll insert mod shots at the end. So this is on the longer side, and then if you want to do the loop through, connected at the end, you'll have a short shoulder bag with the chain straps. I think that looks beautiful as well. So the C's don't look as this C doesn't look as off-centered as it does, I guess, in a long mirror. I was in a long mirror and this was a little bit too far down for me. It didn't look nice in the mirror to me. And it just may be that I'm overthinking it. But yeah, this is what the regular size Tabby looks with the gold chain straps. So yeah, if you want me to compare the sizes, this is the larger size. This is the 26. You can see side by side what they look like. So on another side note, the straps are actually the same. The long strap on both bags are the same length, same thickness. Both of these are the same length. Now the short strap on the 26 is 6 3/4, And the chain, I'm sorry, the short strap on the on the larger size is 8 inches. And you can see this strap on the 26 is a little bit smaller than on the larger size Tabby. So yeah, that's one thing to note. The larger, these straps are the same. The long straps are the same on both bags. It's just that the short straps on both bags on the Tabby 26 is smaller. Thickness is still the same. It's the same thickness. It's just that this on the 26, it's a tad bit shorter in width. I'm sorry, the width isn't. The Tabby 26 shoulder strap is not as wide as on the regular size Tabby. So those are the comparisons. Like I said, this bag will probably go back, even though it looks really nice with this chain. I still have a little thinking to do a little bit at a time. But I also want to do a unboxing for something that I did see when I went to Coach to pick this up. I did go by LV and find a product that I had been searching for about 6 months. And I just so happened to pop in and ask the sales associate if they had it, because my sales associate has been looking, and every time it comes in, when it does come in, it's gone by the time she gets to work, whatever. So hold on, let me grab it for you. This is an item I've been stalking at LV. When I went to New York, I tried to find it. Been trying to find it here in Atlanta for the longest, and I've called the 800 number and haven't been able to find it, but just popped in one day and it was there, and the sales associate was surprised it was still there because I was at the mall around 6-ish and it was there. So I came across the Louis Vuitton mini pochette in the damier azure. Now I really wanted the monogram print, but you know, this will keep me occupied. Well, this will keep me satisfied, I guess, until I can probably locate it. But this is the mini pochette. Been stalking this item for a while. I was even told when I called the 800 number, I guess it depends on who you get, that they weren't making this bag anymore, and it was just up on the website for reference. But yeah, this is the mini pochette, and this one was made in France. So I am so happy to have this purchase. The only thing I'm concerned about on this is the color transfer. I probably won't put this bag in here because I don't know, maybe you guys know if this would transfer color onto this. I don't know, but I don't want to risk it, so I probably won't keep this in here. But for reference, if anybody wants to know if the mini pochette will fit in here, it will with no problem. So yeah, this fits. So yeah, this is the latest and my update for you guys on the Tabby 26. Like I said, this is mine. I love it, and I plan on enjoying it for a while. If you have any questions for me in regards to the 26 or even this regular size bag, leave them in the comment section down below. And please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. And until the next time, see you guys later.